dip. And I ain't try to trip. So much I got a scholarship. I see him talking shit. Press the start button, then call it quit.
Hey, what is up, guys? Happy Halloween. I'm gonna be stopping by my buddy Tim's house. I got some eBay JDM AF bumper, quick detach mount, and just a new mirror. And yeah, so we're gonna head to Timmy's. We're gonna check out his WRX, which was a buddy of mine. I ended up selling it, blow motor, put a new motor in it, whole lot. So we'll go see it. I guess this is why you don't buy eBay mirrors. Look at the size difference. It's literally no comparison. I don't know. That's really shot, but whatever. And I gotta get gas quick and we're gonna be out of here. So let's get this day moving.
Cold?
Just a little bit. The shitty thing about this car is I constantly, it clicks like the either the feed neck's messed up or the evap valve or something like that. But the gas tank's messed up. It takes forever to fill. So I'm just gonna jump cut and we'll be at Tim's house in a little bit. Timbo,
what's up, man?
what's up? What's good? You're going in the vlog today. Vlog video. Yo, I fucking love it. The color combo is sick. With the gold.
I gotta redo those gold stuff.
Story of this Subaru. Tim, you could jump in on this. My buddy Kev had this. Blew the motor because he never took care of it ever. And then Timbo picked up JDM motor. What was it? EJ 205?
Yeah, 205.
Here's the old motor. Absolutely shot outside. Bought a new trans for it. And it's mint. Did the plasti dip, headlights, lowered it. Actually takes care of it. And that's the lip.
Yeah.
Would you get the cheaper one?
I found one that worked for the WRX bumper without having to put the STI screws on it.
Oh, this will actually work with it?
Yeah, because this one's made for an STI bumper. And
Oh, you have two lips?
Yeah.
That is so
for
funny.
An STI bumper, and this one's for an actual WRX bumper, so.
Oh, so you're mint. It's gonna look awesome.
But I gotta like drill out holes and stuff like that.
How are these coils?
Yeah,
They're like,
drive
man,
like fucking.
They drive like shit?
Like 600 coils to drive.
Yup. What are these? The Raceland,
Primos?
yeah, the Primos or Primos? Looks like some Fortune Auto quality to me, Timbo. It's probably not that bad, honestly.
I'm not gonna fucking.
Yeah, they're not the best things. Oh. Imagine you're gonna autocross this. Where's the pupper? What's up, buddy? Oh, he got even bigger. Holy shit. He's like, nope. Oh.
Get it.
It's like, nah. Guys, it's Tim's birthday today. But what are we doing? We're doing the front lip. Flaps.
Yeah, I'm trying flaps.
Dude, they'll go on. Potentially shoot this thing down the block. It's like the most flush eBay lip fitting I've ever seen in my life.
It's actually fucking.
It's like, it actually is 100% like mint, which is rare. Tim and I were both beyond shocked on how the eBay lip is pulling out. Wait,
Right there.
like right. Dude, it looks pretty fucking good. That actually looks like really good. $40.
Metal pieces.
Dr. Tim, what's next?
We're gonna do the flaps now.
The lip is done.
What is some of this?
It's actually amazing.
I kind of had to cut it in half and add a little length to it.
Shit. I mean, that's not that bad.
No,
It's gonna hold.
Yeah, well, because I couldn't find an up pipe to work with the JDM motor because this is.
Dude, I miss seeing a fucking Subi motor, but that actually is boost. Like, I miss the bug eye so much, it's unbelievable. Kev, I know you're gonna watch this and just be filled with regret, like Conway.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
How much did you pick this up for?
40 bucks.
40 bucks? Dude, that's a fucking hookup. Yeah, honestly, any Subaru people trying to slam your cars, I've seen this before, but I thought it'd be cheap metal, but holy crap. It's as solid as it gets.
Well, it was either gonna be that or a stop sign, and I was like,
No, this is totally
definitely
worth it.
better, it will be stronger.
So Tim's car, we got the lip on, mud flaps are gonna be on the rear. Might do a quick little shoot on that today. Gonna grab some food because it's his birthday. And I might paint up the wheel caps on this Outback. Let's see. All right, so you see that wheel cap? That one's black and all the other ones aren't filled in yet. So I wanna actually paint these caps in with the plasti dip. So I'm gonna do that. Tim's just jump into it. Loves the plasti dip. Just doing the mud flaps, Rally Armor plate, these JDM quick speed, quick release bumper attachments. This one's just super fucked up. Just gonna blast it in, hold it nice and tight. And yeah, Outback will be looking good, blacked out. Tim's car looking nice. Yo, so this is the old motor that was in the car right there. So this is a USDM EJ205. Pretty sure it blew a bearing. Yeah, Tim, it blew a bearing, right?
Yeah, the rod bearing's locked up.
Yep, rod bearing's locked up. So the motor obviously cooked. It's been sitting outside for almost, what, a year and a half now? A year?
Yeah, a year and a half.
Yeah. Holy shit. We're gonna try and spin it.
No.
No shot?
No way. Oh, wait, there you go.
No way. Oh! Oh! Oh my god.
No, it's locked now.
Yo, that looks like the oil that was in Kev's motor the whole time.
No, that's his coolant. That's exactly how it came out of the engine, actually.
So this video is gonna be a little jumpy, but it is what it is. And it's almost done. JDM speed, boys.
Oh, they gotta be close.
Woo. What, this thing's not stretchy?
Not scratchy at all.
Oh yeah.
What I'm saying. So that means
Solid.
figure. Put that. I don't know where to. Wait, there?
Yeah, it's gonna work. You know, I'm just gonna send it. Prep, no such thing. You know what it is? His bumper keeps hanging off no matter what I do, so. Oh, perfect. Yeah, so today's gonna be all over the place, guys, but I'll try and throw it together decent. First side is done. Look at that flex.
Something like when the casket dip. And I ain't trying to trip. So much brain, got a scholarship. I see him talking shit. Press the start button and call it quit.
Inside there, you definitely can't see it. I drilled like 4 holes and just was zip tying it, but the Home Depot zip ties, the commercial grade, are so strong that it actually ripped the metal. So now there's no more drill mounts. And yeah, so got these for $6.
No way, shit. Make it fall in love with a handsome dick. I kill it, kill it. So deep, something like when the casket.
lip is on for Tim. Mud flaps are on. We got the riciest thing you could ever buy. Some quick detaches holding the bumper nice. And painted all the caps black on this, so both cars are looking decent. I don't know how this video is going to come out, but I'll make it work.
Erratic is all out.
Yeah, erratic all over the place.
We're doing it. Oh, we're painting now and we're doing it.
It's going to be a full jump around.
Yeah, it's going to be a full jump around.
Alright, yo.
See you later, man.
Happy birthday, Timbo. Of course. Alright guys, so this video was all over the place. Sorry about that. I'm gonna just try and edit as best as I can. Should still come out pretty good. And I'll do a shoot on Tim's car eventually, not yet though. He still wants to do a few things, and he needs to get it tuned. The ABCS isn't hooked up, and he's gonna bring it to MR Performance. Awesome shop, check them out. If you don't know who they are, on Long Island in Westbury, moving to Mineola, I think. But besides that, just want to say thank you for the 500 subs again. Let's make it 1,000, and I hope you enjoy this video. Like I said, sporadic, but I'm gonna work my best to make it flow. And yeah, so peace out. Hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, comment. Let me know what you think of like the jumpiness, or if it wasn't as bad as I'm saying. And thanks guys, peace out.
And I ain't try to trick. So much, I got a style of shit. I see him talking shit. Press the start button, then call it quit.